It might not look like it, but inside this massive box is an $8,000 BMW. But instead of being a conventional car-shaped BMW, it's a bougie electric gravel bike built by Italian brand 3T. So let's unpack it and see what's what. Once you cut the bindings and free the BMW Explorer gravel bike from its cardboard prison, you'll find a partially assembled e-bike that's entirely wrapped in bubble wrap. First, you want to set the dropped carbon handlebars into place. To do this, there's just 4 little screws on the stem of the bike that need adjusting. Once these are tightened up, you can unwrap the saddle and get that set up as well. Because this is an ultra aerodynamic bike, the mechanics securing the seat post into the bike are hidden away inside the frame. But it's still pretty simple, with the post dropping into the frame and just one bolt holding everything in place when you find the right height. Once that was set up, we unwrapped the front wheel, loosened the axle from the front fork and got that fitted into place before screwing on a pair of Jalopnik orange pedals, which weren't included in with the bike. The final thing you'll need to do is install the battery on the Sram AXS derailleur at the rear of the bike. This electric shifting skips across a 10 to 44 cassette at the rear and can be customized to your liking in the Sram app. The BMW e-bike also has Sram hydraulic brakes, and it's fitted with a pair of Vittoria Barzo tyres that are wrapped around a set of 650B wheels. Because this is an e-bike, there's a Mahle X20 hub motor at the back and a 350 watt-hour battery integrated into the frame. This means that the Explorer doesn't look all too much like a traditional e-bike and could easily be mistaken for any other gravel bike on the trails. Now it's all set up to hit the trails of New York, which is exactly what we're going to do over the next few weeks, so stay tuned to see how we get on.